Yo, back again. This is the second pickup that I said I was gonna post. And here's the second package I got in the mail USPS. Stay tuned. I got way more pickups I caught from eBay, so I'm just gonna show you all my unboxings of all the shoes, all the clothing, shoes, hats, everything. I'm just gonna show you guys everything. Just unboxed it. So yeah. All right, let's get it. Bam. Great lighting here. Close to my room. Yeah. Should have bought scissors though, but it's all good. Alright, they wrapped it in a Goodwill bag. Yeah. But obviously it's not the Goodwill. Bam. Yeah, kid robot. Size medium. This is a sweatshirt designed with love by Kid Robot. Luckily it's 4. Bam. Don't fear the Reaper. With the Kid Robot. There's like a little pocket here. You should see it. Yeah, there's a pocket right here. Yeah. And I got this for $25 because for shipping, because these are right here. There's a little hole. See it? Yeah, just like a little ripping there. But I don't care. It's all good. Just a small rip. Nothing really noticeable. But yeah, don't fear the Reaper. Kid Robot. Size medium, my size. Here's the back. The back of it. Looking fresh. Yeah. There's some stains there. I'll just get it out. It's not that hard. Yeah, good deal on this. Kid Robot. It's just small little hole. But it's all good. Yep. Alright. Stay tuned for next pickups. I should be having your pickup either tomorrow or Saturday. Yep. Alright. Stay tuned. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.